Hi, it's Tim at Engine Factory. We just finished building these beautiful 302 Ford 350 horsepower turnkey package engines for our customers' Cobra replicas. Go over some of the highlights on our engine builds here. We have the 302 Ford roller lifter camshaft in there, double roller timing chain installed, brand new timing cover, high flow water pump, new balancer, fuel pumps on there, the heavy duty Russell fuel line, gas filter, oil pressure extension, AFR, aluminum cylinder heads, all the roller rock arms fully adjusted and set, proper rear sump oil pan for the Cobra replica, oil stick and tube. It's real nice Taylor ignition wires. All the wire markers are on there. Made USA. Distributor set in place. We have a MSD ignition coil, quick fuel carburetor, proper standard flywheel, proper tooth count and balance for the 302 Ford, pilot bearings in there, ARP, flywheel bolts, PCV ventilation line. Every engine is live run at the Engine Factory here, fully tested for over 45 minutes. You're going to get a video of your engine running in the stand, manifold vacuum reading, water temperature, oil pressure, cold and hot. We'll set the ignition timing, adjust the carburetor mixer screws, be completely dialed in, fully tested, ready to go. So again, this is our 302 Ford 350 horsepower turnkey engines ready to go. Thanks for watching.